Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss some more basic concepts of the friction. That is, importance of the friction in the concept of is friction is necessary. Both terminologies are same. Importance of the friction is the friction is necessary. See, different examples are there. I wrote on the board. We can't walk or run without friction. Means if the friction between our legs and the ground is not there, we can't walk. We may slip. You already know, on a slopey surface, simply we may slip. Come to the second one. We can't drive the bicycle or car. Between the tires of the bicycle and car, between the road, compulsory friction is required. The rough surface will hold the object without falling. If you move on a iron surface, slopey surface, for example, say if diesel is fall on the road, we can observe different colors. Whenever you are moving on the road, simply it may skids. We may fall down. So friction is placing a very important role without skidding the vehicle, that is bicycle or car. Come to the third one. We can't apply the brake. The rough surface between the brake and the tire will hold the objects or the vehicles in a firm manner. For that sake only friction is very important. Next, fourth one. Carpenter will not be able to smoothen the surface. Generally, many items we are using, like benches, chairs, cars, like this. Those are all, whenever you went to a carpenter, the carpenter should smooth the surface by using different kinds of instruments. Without having the friction, they can't do like that. Come to the fifth one. You will not be able to hold any appliances like hammer or soap. See, soap is too smooth, the surface of the soap is too smooth. Further, secondly, many times it may fall from our hands. Of course, whatever it may be, little bit rough surface is there, then it becomes easy. For that, secondly, we can observe some of the bands or grooves on the soap. We may think they are manipulating us, but why they are making differently means with the different shapes means to give the grip to hold the soap. Even hammer also, the handle of the hammer having some irregularities. We already learned that. Because of the irregularities only we can hold that. Now come to the sixth one. It will not be possible to hold pencil or pen. Generally by using the pencil or pen or by rubbing the board we are unable to do that. For that sake only they are providing the grip to hold the pen or otherwise pencil. In the case of mainly pens, grip they will provide. Next comes to this seventh one. You would not be able to fix a nail on the wall. Between the nail surface and the wall there should be some roughness. Because of that roughness, irregularities are more. So for that we can fix the nail easily. Come to the eighth one. No building could be constructed without friction. So compulsory the friction is required to hold the objects in a clear manner. These are all importance of the friction and as well as the topic under the topic of necessary of the friction. Now see, friction is undesirable. Before we said without friction we can't do anything else. For each and every case we require the friction. In this situation we are discussing friction is undesirable, means not required. Because of the friction, some of the problems we are facing. What are those problems? Number one, machinery will get damaged. Because of the more friction between the surface of one object and another object, overheating taken place, heat will be produced. For example, whenever we rub the hands like this, what happened? Heat will be generated. For example, if you see the roughness surface of a matchbox, if you lit the matchbox, because of the friction only it get fire. Means because of the friction, overheating is taken place. That overheating is cause for the damage of the machinery. Means after certain days, the machinery will get reduced its life and as well as durability. See second one, footwear will tear easily. For example, this year we are using one kind of the shoe, school shoes or college shoes like that. By the next year, again we should purchase. Why? Because of the friction between the surface of the earth and as well as the surface of the shoe, what happens? Overheating taken place and it is cause for the damage of the shoes. It is called as wear and tear. Now come to the one more thing. Paint of the buildings can get damaged. Paint of the building. Many buildings are there and every year we are painting them for every 2 to 3 years. Because of the fall of rain. Means whenever the rain falls, the friction between the rainwater molecule and the surface of the paint, friction is generated. Sun heat and air. For example, say because the friction between, why? Because air always touches the surface of the paint. Then because of the friction between surface of the paint and that object, it will get damaged. Now see, steel articles will get damaged like gates. We are going to open the gate and close the gate. Because of this opening and as well as closing, what happens? There is a friction is generated. Because of the friction, it will get damaged. Let us discuss some of the methods which are used to reduce the friction. Why? Because friction is compulsory, necessary and at the same time evil also. Both use and as well as unplanned accident is there in the case of friction. This means both the friction is usable and as well as undesirable. Desirable and undesirability is there in the case of the friction. Let us discuss what are the different methods are there to reduce the friction. Yes, here we have some methods used to reduce the friction. Why? Because we said friction is an undesirable. Then what are the methods? First one, by using the rollers. Rollers, for example, say if you see the suitcase, if in the case of the suitcase, in this diagram one boy is pulling the suitcase. The bottom of the suitcase consists of rollers. If the rollers are there, if you drag the suitcase on the floor, then easily you can drag them. Why? Because the rollers will roll. We already said rolling friction is always less when compared to kinetic friction and as well as static friction. So rollers are playing a very important role. For example, in various situations we can see that the rollers are playing a very important role. If rolling constant. Come to the lubricants. What is a lubricant? The substances like oil, grease, powder, these are all the examples of lubricants. The substances used to reduce the friction is called lubricants. See, if you see the carom board, to move the coins easily on the carom board, what we are going to do? We will sprinkle the powder. What the powder can do? The powder will apply, means it occupies the irregularities that present on the surface of the carom board. Then the carom board surface becomes smooth. Then the striker will move easily. This means irregularities of the rough surface is covered with that powder, then automatically the friction will be reduced. That is the working process of carom powder. Come to the oil. For example, say gates, iron gates or doors, sometimes they give different kinds of the sounds. Because of many days onwards simply we are using, but we can't do anything else. Why? Because they have joints. So to avoid such kind of the sounds, what we are going to do? We will apply some oil. That oil occupy the irregularities of the surface, and the irregularities are decreasing, then automatically the surface becomes smooth, which is used to reduce the friction. Grease also same method. So oil, grease are called lubricants. Even in the case of a bike also, we are going to pour lubricating oil. Simply we are calling as engine oil. Engine oil is used to reduce the friction between the machinery parts inside the engine and as well as the casing. Then the vehicle speed will increase, activity of the vehicle will increase. Now come to the third one, ball bearings. Ball bearings. What is a ball bearing? They are used to reduce the friction between the rotating shafts of a machine tool. Rotating shafts of a machine tool means two rotating parts should be. Between the two rotating parts, a bearing will be adjusted. For example, the bearing is appear to be like this. This is the outer casing and as well as the inner casing. This is outer casing and this is inner casing. Between these two casings means outer part also will rotate, inner part also will rotate. To reduce the friction, we are going to arrange what? Like balls. Iron balls will be, these iron balls are used to reduce the friction. Here one ball rotates on the another ball, one ball rotates on the another ball, then automatically the friction will be reduced. The principle that involved in this is rolling friction is less when comparing to the static friction and as well as kinetic friction. These are all various methods used to reduce the friction. Now let us discuss some of the methods used to increase the friction. Why we should increase the friction? Because friction is evil and dead. It is useful for us and at the same time it is not at all useful for us. It has both. Sometimes it is required friction. We should increase the method of friction. Let us discuss some of the methods which are using to increase the friction. Let us discuss some of the methods used to increase the friction. Why we should increase the friction? Before we already discussed, friction is evil and dead. It will be useful and at the same time it is not at all possible for us. First one, grooves. If you observe the sole of a shoe, if your shoe will be there, if you observe the sole of the shoe, how it will be? It is cut in different shapes. Means there are different shapes are there under the bottom of the shoe. If you see the tire of your vehicle, is it smooth or rough? Absolutely it is rough. Why? Because it has some grooves. Those grooves provide grip on the floor and then you can move very safely. If you observe, those grooves are very large in the rear tires of a vehicles. Many vehicles, for example, if you observe the JCBs, tractors, trucks, large number of the grooves are there. But if you observe the aeroplane tires, less number of the grooves are there. Why? Because aeroplane should take high speed within a less time. Then and there it can fly. So in that case they should reduce the friction, but in this case they should increase the friction. Why? Because tractors, bulldozers, trucks, JCBs, these are all the machinery parts which mainly works on the mud. In the mud generally the friction is less. You know, already it is always under skidding. To avoid the process of skidding, we are giving more number of threads or otherwise grooves in the case of tires and as well as shoes. And one more thing that we can increase the friction is nothing but hand grips. Gymnastics, while playing shuttle or while applying any electrical appliances, we are going to give the grip, hand grip. While riding a bike also, we are going to use the hand grips. These hand grips provide the sufficient friction between that surface of the object and as well as our hand. Then automatically we can move them easily. One of that one is making the surface as rough. For example, if the surface is rough, then the friction becomes more. See, while plastering to the wall, what should we are going to do? First they will make the surface as rough by knotting, by tingling with small holes. Then they will apply the concrete or otherwise the cement to that. Then what happens? It becomes more friction. The cement will attach to that easily. These are all the various methods which are used to increase the. Now let us discuss some of the questions are there here. Why a rough surface is provided at the side of a matchbox? If we observe the matchbox, on one side or both sides a rough surface is there. What is the need of that? Because of the rough surface, if you lit the matchbox, friction is generated. Because of the friction, potassium nitrate and the red sulfur that present in the matchbox will catch fire. What is the need of heat shield over the surface of a spacecraft? Spacecraft, whenever it is moving up or down, there may be more amount of the friction between the sides of the spacecraft and air. Because of the friction, large amount of the heat will be generated. Because of that heat, there may be a damage to the spacecraft. That is only a measurable thing is happened in the one of the astronaut which is belongs to Indian race. She is Kalpana Chawla. Right? Why surface of an aeroplane is smooth? You observe many times surface of aeroplanes are always smooth. It has a smooth surface. Because of the smoothening the surface, what happens? Friction will be less. Because of the less friction between the surface of the aeroplane and air, heat generation is less. Inside we can maintain the AC in a clear manner. So to reduce the friction, we are making the surface of the aeroplane's surface as too smooth. If we observe, meteorites will catch fire. Meteorites. What are meteorites? In Telugu, shooting stars we used to call. Shooting stars. These meteorites are the pieces of stones that is coming from the space to the earth's surface. Whenever these stones enter into the earth's surface, because of the friction between the air and the surface of that stone, more amount of the heat will be generated. Because of the heat, they will catch fire. That only we are calling as shooting stars. These are all various methods which are used to increase the friction, decrease the friction. Thank you.